Hello. I'm gonna try to explain about the IP address and mask address, and I assume you guys understand about the basic about binary and decimal. I give an example right here. The mask address is 255.255.255 and 0. And then it's an example of IP address is 10.15.11.0. So if these numbers are decimal right here, and then if you change it to a binary, it would be one, like 8 digits of 1, and then another one right here, and another one right here, and all zeros right here. And then let me explain a little bit about the IP address. So if you have a mask address like the one right up here, that means like all these three, the first three numbers right here, they are what it's called the network address, and then the 0, it would be the host address. So with that understanding, all these with this mask address, and then this provided the network address 10, 15, 11, which is the network address with the mask 24, because there's 8 bits right here and 8 bits and 8 bits, so it's 24 bits, or you could say 255.255.255.0. So that means like this address would be the network address, and then the first IP address, the first host address would be 10, 15, 11, and then 1, and then you guys, I assume you guys understand about the broadcast address. A broadcast address would basically, let me explain a little bit. So for example, this one is a mask address of this network address right here. So there's a maximum number of 255 right here, and so the first number, which is a 0, would be the network address, and then the next number will be the first host address, and then the last number which is the maximum number, 255, would be the broadcast address. So you guys saw in the video, if you have like a 24 bits of mask address, and then you have one already reserved for the network address, and then the last address would be for the broadcast address. So the maximum number of the host address would be 2 to the power of And then we'll see like all the zeros right here is all like all the possible host address that these network address can have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So to the power of the 8, and then minus 2, which is, let me see. Which you can have up to 254 host address. So I think that's it for this one. I'm gonna post another video.